Morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn about the chapter 7, A Bird Came Down on the Earth. This poem is written by Emili Dickinson, an American poetess. She was a good naturalistic poet. In this poem, we can see Emily Dickinson's the love towards the nature and her observation towards the nature.
A bird came down the walk. He did not know I saw. He bit an angel worm in halves and ate the fellow raw. And then he drank a dew from a convenient grass, and then hopped sideways to the wall to let the beetle pass. A bird, nature, its actions, beauty. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all abroad. They looked like frightened beads, I thought. He stirred his velvet head. Nature is conscious. Nature is omnipotent. Like one in danger, cautious. I offered him a crumb, and he unrolled his feathers and rode him softer home. Nature is fed up. Are we deserving? Then oars divide the ocean, two silver for a seam, or butterflies of banks of noon leap splashes as they swim. What else has grown fed up? Will this be the end for it, or for us?
According to the poet, a bird is coming to the earth having a bit of angel wing, and then he is drinking a dew from the convenient grass. And then he hopped. Hopped means jumping the sideways to the wall to see that what all the things are there again. Again he is looking with his rapid eyes. Rapid eye means a bulging eye. Whether anyone is watching me or whether anyone is here for eating. They looked like a frightened birds. The poet is offering some bread pieces, but the bird is afraid. After receiving the bread pieces, the bird flight through the air. So this poem is to look around our nature, to see the beauty of nature, to see the charity of our nature.